In the previous video, we had discussed about organization of data. Raw data collected does not give us any important or meaningful information. So, we need to organize the data to get a meaningful and useful information. Hello and welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss about statistical series and frequency distribution. Types of frequency distribution. Statistical series on the basis of characteristics. Time series based on historical dates, like India became independent in 1947. Spatial series based on geographical locations like Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, America, and so on. Condition series based on condition like weight, height, sex, etc. On the basis of construction, individual series in serial order, ascending or descending order. Once raw data is organized in serial order, ascending or descending order, we call it organized data or array. Next is discrete series, and then comes the continuous series. Frequency divides observations in the data set into conveniently established, numerically ordered classes, groups or categories. The number of observations in each class is referred to as frequency, denoted by the letter F. Let us understand this by an example. We will form these numbers into tabular form into frequency table. 6, 8, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 9, 4. The frequency table would be value. These are all the values, and frequency means that the many times they have been repeated in this table. 6 has been repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 8 has been repeated 2 times. So the frequency is 2. 4, 2, frequency is 2. 7, frequency is 1. 9, frequency is 2. In simple term, frequency means number of time a term is repeated. Discrete frequency. It shows the value of the variables individually along with their corresponding frequencies. It is also called simple frequency distribution. We will understand this by the following example. Here, the shoe size of 36 students has been given. We will form a frequency distribution table. We will show it in the tabular form. Shoe sizes are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will put the telebars and the frequency. Telebars, as you know, you have already studied in maths, that after 4 we cross the line and it denotes 5. So, size number 6 has the frequency of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we denote it by putting 4 bars and crossing them. Similarly, 7 has been the frequency of 7. Shoe size number 7 has the frequency of 7. So we denote it by 4 bars crossing it, that is 5, and 2 bars 7, and so on. 8 is 4, frequency is 4. 9 is frequency is 7, 4 bars crossed 5, 6 and 7. 10 the frequency is 6. 11 the frequency is 4, and 12 the frequency is 3. Now if we count this, we will get 36. This is how a discrete frequency is put in the tabular form. In the next video, we will be doing continuous frequency distribution. I hope you have understood this concept. Please feel free to ask questions in the comment box. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.